Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's look at this LED working light kit with that magnetic base. The company is from China. Let's get into it. It's from Amazon. I got it yesterday in the mail. Let's quickly get into it. Let's see here quickly. Let's see, so let's open this guy up. I already opened the head. I wanted to put the batteries in it. Time of purchase, it was excuse me, it was about $33. So here's the main part. The main base is obviously the magnetic part, and what I like about this, so let me unscrew it. You can use the two types of batteries on it. You can use the 3 AAA batteries with this adapter, or you can use the main, I believe the 3.7 volt batteries. So for right now, since I already put the so here's the case. Obviously, you've seen other videos. I don't like plastic cases that much. I prefer the metal ones, but you get what you pay for. I really don't like these type of latches that they have here. I believe they break from here a lot. So I don't know. That's my point of view. I don't like them that much. But so here's a little cover, I guess, for this battery. So let's put this battery in here. So obviously, it doesn't come with the batteries for the adapter. So it comes with this one. It's plastic. I do have another one that's made out of metal. I believe it's already another one of my videos. So make sure it's attached all the way. I did try to make a video before and I thought it wasn't working. So there you go. It's pretty nice. There you go. Different modes. Mode 1, 2, 3. That's great. Now you take it apart from here. Remove the head. So it's one of these ones. Obviously, it moves like this, and it's got different angles. Turn like this, like that. It's great. 90 degrees. All that good stuff. That's pretty great right there. Got all the pads for this, covers, and then you got the regular flashlight mode. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so it's got 3 modes. That's the regular flashlight, and then we have obviously the gooseneck. So it's this one right here. I like this one a lot. Let's see. There we go. I like this one because it has actually the bigger head. Compared to the other one, I do like the other one because it goes into smaller areas. So I do like that one a lot. But this one, and this one has a longer neck. But this one, just because it's bigger, you know, and it does go into further places. But it's just this one, I don't know, and it just feels better. 1, 2, 3. It's got the same 3 modes. So I really like this one. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. Obviously, and also if you add the other battery here, you obviously can charge it with this one. So it does work. So let's use that. So we're gonna take this one off, remove this battery. I did charge this guy up. I'll put this guy in, purple battery. Okay, let's go. Another way. I did charge it, so it should have a full charge. I also have a portable charger. I mean, not a portable charger. Let's see. There you go. There we go. Working perfectly. Alright, also a reminder, because what happened to me earlier, I was doing the video on this one and I thought it wasn't working. I was about to call Amazon and let them know it wasn't working. Since obviously you have to connect both sides, if your battery's not pushed another way, also if the head's not pushed all the way in, it will not turn on. And that was my problem. The problem I was having, I thought that it wasn't working correctly. I thought that was the issue. I thought I had a defective flashlight because I kept turning this side and going, what the heck's going on? It's not working correctly. Why is it not working correctly? And I didn't realize that it was just slightly off. If it's slightly off, it's not gonna work. It has to be fully closed in all the way. It's not gonna work unless if it's just slightly off. It won't work. So reminder, if you buy this one all the way, if it's not all the way, it's not gonna work. So just remember that. If you buy this one on Amazon, make sure you tighten it all the way. And we go back to this guy over here. It's for your hand. And I'm not 100% sure how to use this guy, but I believe you attach it to your hand and you put your flashlight in here somehow. I'm not 100% sure how to use this guy. Oh, I think you put it around like this. There you go. Let's see. Okay, let's try it out. Let's see. Alright, so put it around here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. So you put it out here and then you stick this guy in here with your flashlight on, which is one-handed. I think you have to put it on before you put it on here. So you leave this guy halfway on. So what you do is that you open this guy up with the flashlight on. There you go. There you go. Flash it up. Alright. So what you do is that you put your hand in here. There you go. And then you have your flashlight there. And you press it. There you go. I guess wherever you point it. So it's pretty good. I mean, I like it. And I guess you could just put your hand in here again. There you go. That's pretty good. I like it. It's a pretty good flashlight holder. I mean, if you want to keep your hands free. I like it. So I would buy it again if I had to. Like I said, the only cheap thing is the case. I don't like the case. The gooseneck is looks pretty good. It looks thin though, but the main flashlight, it's great. This one also looks cheap. The main flashlight looks great. I like the holder too. I think I really like it for another flashlight too. If I would also would buy this separately, if I could find another one, just for another flashlight. But we're working on a car, even though it might be a little bit painful, like first, you know, when you're working on a car, but just to keep your hands on it. If it was a smaller one, for another, probably another type of flashlight, a little slightly smaller, maybe the head a little bit, you know, I mean, if you push it back, but I think it would work perfectly for another flashlight too. But overall, I like it a lot. I would recommend it. If you guys get this one online, Amazon, like I said, I think it was 30 bucks, 32. Go ahead and get it. I would recommend it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys.